Hi everyone, I'm back with another Home Care 101 crash course video. Today we are going to be circling back on mental stimulation and the importance of preventing isolation, depression, anxiety, and boredom. I know you guys are probably really tired of me talking about this, but it's such a big thing that we can focus on, and it's one of the things that we can kind of control. We can really kind of control our mindset. We can control what we're able to do in the home, and we can find really creative ways to stay mentally stimulated and to connect with people outside of the home. So I'm on day 26, I think, of practicing social distancing. It's just me and my dog Coco, who will probably make an appearance in one of these videos one day. So I've had to get really creative on ways to stay in touch with friends and family and on ways to entertain myself. The really great thing is Home Care Assistance has actually done a lot of the heavy lifting for us. They've put together a life enrichment guide, and this guide is a really great resource for families who are suddenly in a position where they need to care for their loved one, or they're having to care for them in a higher level capacity. So this enrichment guide has a lot of tips and tricks and tools and things that you can use at home, but it also has a lot of resources to help with the entertainment and mental stimulation aspect of things as well. So they have a whole section. It's called Homeschooling Resources for Lifelong Learners. And this is probably my favorite thing that they have right now because it is for everyone. So it's for, it can be for kids, it can be for adults, it can be for the older adults in your family. But what they've done is they've put together a lot of different websites and software and different platforms that people can go to learn something new. So different college courses, art classes, there's links for computer coding classes, world history classes, math and science for those of us who maybe need some brushing up on when it comes to e-learning. So I'm going to link or share some of the links here of what they're offering. Like I said, this is my favorite part of the Life Enrichment Guide. So if you are looking for ways to stay mentally stimulated, looking for new ways to maybe learn a new tool or learn something about a new subject, I'm your girl. I got the resource. So hopefully this will help.